In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Wix. Whether you're promoting a new product, capturing leads, or showcasing an event, a landing page is an essential tool for driving conversions. So let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, head over to Wix Studio by visiting sites on the Wix platform. This is where you'll manage all your websites and, importantly, where you'll create your new landing page. If you're already logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard displaying your current projects. This hub will serve as your main command center for creating and editing sites in Wix Studio. Next, it's time to kickstart the creation process by clicking on Create New Site. Doing so will open up options for creating various site types, but today we want to focus on landing pages. By starting a new site, you're laying the foundation upon which the rest of your project will be built. Here, you can decide what type of site best fits your needs. Opt to start from a template to expedite the process. Wix provides a range of pre-designed templates which will give you a solid starting point and help maintain modern design standards. It's a fantastic way for businesses to save time and ensure their site looks professional. Once you've selected to use a template, type landing page in the search bar to narrow down your options to templates specifically designed for this purpose. Wix offers templates across various industries and styles, so you should find one that aligns with your brand and goals. After browsing the available templates, choose a landing page that resonates with what you want to achieve. Click Edit, and you'll be taken to the Wix editor where you can customize the template to suit your specific needs. This editor is quite powerful, allowing you to change practically every aspect of the template. Now, let's talk about the tools available in the editor. Click on Layers to manage elements on your page more efficiently. This feature is particularly helpful if you have a complex design, allowing you to easily select, hide, and arrange elements without clutter. Then click Add Elements to start personalizing your page with text, images, buttons, and more. Adding elements is crucial to make the page functional, engaging, and visually appealing, each component playing a specific role in guiding your visitor toward taking action. Don't forget to click on Site Style to manage the overall aesthetics. Here you can tweak fonts, colors, and more to match your brand identity and create a coherent look across the page. Finally, click on Media to add or change images and videos, an important step for enhancing user engagement and providing a richer visual experience on your page. That's it! Following these steps will help you create an effective landing page on Wix, tailored to meet your specific business needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building!